Hi people, nice to see you again. Today I wanted to show you how to create a wonderful online survey. So let me show you around this one that I have created. So I have created this loha.dev reader survey. So the content here is thanks for being part of our community. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Okay, so let's get going. And overall, how would you rate our content? Okay, so I would rate the content like 4 star. And what is the topic you read the most? Maybe marketing. Why do you need our content? Work, school, fun, curiosity, research. Wow, all of them. Okay. What would you like to see more of? Tech content. Okay. What would you like less of? Well, let's say code. Where do you mostly read our content? Let's say online article. And usually using desktop. Okay, wow. Your age? Let's say 27. Where are you from? Let's say Madagascar. Submit. That did feel quite wonderful. And today I wanted to talk to you about market research. And in fact, right decision comes after having the right data, right? So that's what I wanted to show you today. I will show you how to create a form to collect information from your users. So running online surveys is among the best, if not the best, to collect information. And what I've just shown you is what we're going to create. So let me show you how I did it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is just to head over to typeform.com, and from here you just need to create a free account. Once you sign up, you just have to log into Typeform, and then you get to this workspace. And it's quite straightforward to create a Typeform. Let's just click on create Typeform, and we can start from scratch. I will show this to you first. And starting from scratch lets us specify every field and all the content that we want to add inside our form. Okay, so let's say loha.dev demo form from scratch. Okay, what type of form? It's gonna be a lead generation form. So from that, I guess it's gonna suggest me a few options over the content, like some fields for it. Okay, so here we have all the questions. So I have to add the question here. I can add a content like short text. Let's say, what is your name? So we can add fields like short text, multiple choice field, which will enable our users to choose from multiple choices, like which fruit? They say mangoes, avocado, banana, and so on. We have like email field for the email and many other fields. So I guess we're going to play around this in other videos, but for now let me show you how I have created the form that I've just shown you at the beginning. Okay, so for that I did use a template. So I can just click on use a template. And then from here, we have different categories of form. And so I can choose among these categories, like here, for example, where was the satisfaction? Okay, so job, employee, customer satisfaction, journey, reader. So I'm not able to find the template from there. Let's go back to typeform.com and look at template and satisfaction surveys. And from here, we have the reader satisfaction survey template. So I guess they have more here than those that they have exposed over the template gallery. So we can just choose one of these, let's say reader satisfaction journey, and we can preview the template from here and use the template. So when we use this template, they are going to clone the template inside our workspace. And now we have all the questions and we can customize all the content. So we can change the fields. So for example, we can remove fields like what's your age, this field. And so if I'm happy with that, I can just click on publish and copy the link to the form. And then I can just from here send this to my clients, my customers or my users, and that's it. They'll be able to fill the form. And once they fill the form, we will be able to get all the responses from here. We can view the responses, and that's how we can run online surveys. And that's it for this video. I hope it did help you. And leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.